Since emerging on the dancehall scene in 2003, this artiste, born in St. Anne, Jamaica, has distinguished himself as one of the most versatile and influential voices in contemporary Jamaican music. His 2005 breakthrough single, Step Out, announced his arrival and charted on the Billboard reggae listings, launching a career defined by an unmistakable vocal delivery, lyrical dexterity, and an unrelenting work ethic that gave rise to his enduring stage name, Busy Signal. He has developed an impressive catalogue of hits throughout the years, but the song which best defines his career and which truly reflects his role as a musical ambassador is and culturally significant work, and is almost regarded as the unofficial second anthem of Jamaica. His contribution to the genre has been formally recognized by the International Reggae and Music Awards, IRAUMA, which named him Dancehall Artist of the Decade in 2020 and awarded him Best Sing-J Entertainer in 2026, in addition to numerous other industry honors over more than 2 decades of recording. The government of Jamaica, through the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, has therefore found it most fitting and appropriate to present Rihanna Devon Gordon, aka Busy Signal, with the 2026 Reggae Icon Award in recognition of his work in promoting the growth and popularity of Jamaican music across the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, we present Rihanna Devon Gordon, known to the world as Busy Signal.
National Stadium, show some love for Busy Signal.
National Stadium. It gives me great pleasure to present this citation to Rihanna Devon Gordon, better known to you as Busy Signal. However, it is most appropriate at our birthday that we give this citation to the man who has made the most consequential change to the Happy Birthday song. One more year upon them, Busy Signal.
Sound the big thing there! Yes. I want to say big up Jamaica, big up all the fans all over the world. First and foremost, big up the Most High Jah. I'm giving thanks for life, giving thanks just to be here, giving thanks for everybody here and everybody that's viewing. Most honorable, it's been a long time. I've been doing this for years. I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful. I'm honored, it's gratitude all the way. All the way. And this is for Jamaica. This is for Jamaica. Jamaica.